Hello guys, welcome back and welcome to another video. In today's video we have Tecno Spark Go 1, which is pattern locked. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove pattern or password, or you can hard reset your Tecno Spark Go 1. This method is a little different from the other devices. First you have to press the power key for 3 or 4 seconds and then quickly hold on to the volume down key. Press power key for 3 seconds, then quickly hold on to the volume down key. Now when the Tecno logo appear, release the power key but keep holding on to the volume down key until the recovery menu comes up. Now inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data and then select factory data reset with the power key, and all the data on your phone will be completely erased. Now as you can see here at the bottom, the data wipe has been completed. Now when this message comes up, then select reboot system now and your phone will reboot itself. After the hard reset, your phone will take some time to boot up, so you have to wait for it. I'm going to speed up the video here so to save you some time. Now after the reboot, this setup will pop up. You have to tap on next, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing the setup you guys will be able to use the phone normally again, and the pattern or password that was set up previously on this device now has been removed.